We have, of course, one of the grand prizes. We have a Jordan 1 over there at the back. This is not Louis Vuitton Green Hills. This is Louis Vuitton Greenbelt. Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And in today's vlog, we are going to check out, or I'm going to show you one of the very best mystery boxes that you can buy for less than 5,000 pesos. And it will be available live on the Project 721 website this coming Friday. So if you are interested in seeing what are the possible contents of the new Project 721 mystery box for gadgets, sneakers, and toys plus merch, this is the episode for you. And before we go to that, ang lakas ng ulan. Check this out. Ooh, crazy. Crazy. Let's go. And before I show you the contents of the mystery box that you can get for less than 3,000, 5,000 pesos, I just want to give you guys an update on the last mystery box that we did. So we sold 30 mystery boxes. A lot of people were happy. I'll show some screenshots over here of the feedback that we get about the boxes. But apart from that, we actually used 100% of the profit that we got from that mystery box to buy a bunch of Cherry mobile tablets, which we recently turned over to PLDT Smart Foundation, and they will be donating it to partner schools and organizations so that those students who need tablets for online learning will be able to get one for free. So again, 100% of the profits from the last mystery box we used to help out. So to everybody who bought the first batch, maraming salamat, nakatulong po tayo. So at this point, we'll have to go down to the studio because that's where I put most of the boxes that will be included, or most of the stuff that we'll be putting in the mystery box. By the way, this mystery box is in collaboration with unbox.ph. If you don't know what unbox.ph is, they're one of the top tech websites in the country. And they also have a YouTube channel. You usually see Leia and Jamie there. I'll link down below to the assets. So this time around, it will be mostly gadgets. There'll still be sneakers. We'll have 3 tiers of boxes. You can get the 3,000 peso mystery box. You can get the 5,000 peso mystery box. And there will be special 10,000 peso mystery boxes. Just like the first mystery box which I came out with, guaranteed the overall value of what you will find inside will be much more than what you paid for. So talagang sulit to. Magiging sulit to. It will automatically have merch from Project 721, so that can be shirts. But apart from the shirts, you can also get a chance to get freebies that are either toys, gadgets, or sneakers. One of our biggest prizes for today's mystery box, or for this mystery box, is the Poco F2 smartphone, which is like 25,000 pesos. So sobrang panalo yun, brand new. You get a chance to win that. Okay, now I won't go through every single thing, but you guys will get an idea, no? So a lot of the 3,000 peso mystery boxes will actually have a smartphone from Cherry Mobile or Realme. So this one of them, which is the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Prime. We have over here the S8 Deluxe. We have the S8 Pro. You have the S8 over there. We have a Redmi 9A, which will be part of the more expensive boxes. We have a Y7 Pro. We have a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. We have the Realme, ito medyo OG, hindi pa yellow box. Realme 2 Pro. We have over here the Flare S6 Plus, which will also be part of some of the boxes. We have, of course, one of the grand prizes for the more expensive boxes. So this will only be available in the most expensive box. We have the Poco F2 Pro. Now, in terms of toys, we have a couple. We have some of the Vegeta Funko Pops that are rare. So they sell for like almost 1,000 pesos each. This Baby Yoda is 1,000 pesos plus when I bought it. So that will be part of the box. We have a Jordan 1 over there at the back, which will be part of the box. I think this is like the court purple in size 13. Again, if it's not your size, you can just sell it and you can make the money back from the box and you still get the merch. Or if it's your size, then you can wear it, right? You have an Adidas sneaker there. I think that's a Superstar, size 12. We have an Adidas SL20. We have a Saucony over here, Azura. We have, this is, I think, another one of those Adidas Oswego Pusha T collaborations that I have as extra. We have the Reebok Beatnik These are the slide slash sandals that sell for like 9,000 pesos, guys. 9,000 pesos, and it'll be part of the more cheaper, more affordable mystery boxes. We have a Flare watch from Cherry Mobile. We have the Flare Active from Cherry Mobile. We have a bunch of World Balance and Fila sneakers, which will also be part of the boxes. This one is brand new, one of their casual running sneakers. Watch out for this in one of the more affordable 3,000 peso boxes. This is a Louis Vuitton necktie from Louis Vuitton Greenbelt. So if you are looking for something formal, this will be part of the more expensive boxes as well. This is legit, guys. This is not Louis Vuitton Greenbelt. This is Louis Vuitton Greenbelt. More stuff that we're adding. We're throwing in a Realme C15 in one of the boxes. We're throwing in a Realme watch in one of the boxes as well. So this is a really nice smartwatch from Realme. This is a really nice smartphone from Realme. So guys, as you can tell, we have a ton of really good stuff coming up with our boxes. Now, to Undefeated and Starbucks fans, some of the mystery boxes will have either this, or this. This is the Starbucks Undefeated tumblers, or that bright neon Undefeated side bag. So that will also be part of it. So as you, I mean, the boxes are pretty solid in terms of value, and the freebies that you guys are going to get, off the charts crazy. Okay, so we've packed batch 1. So we will be sending this out to our Project 721 team and unbox.ph team. They'll pack it up. They'll put it in the nice boxes. And again, guys, watch out for the mechanics. It will be posted on the Project 721 Facebook page. I will link it down below. I'm not sure if they'll do a raffle or if it'll be straight out on the website. Bantayan nyo na lang yung website, tsaka yung Facebook page ng Project 721 for the details. So we have a bunch of sneakers. We have a lot of gadgets, a lot of smartphones in our mystery boxes. Now, let's find out who the winner is of the Yeezy Desert Boot. Congratulations din sa inyo. Wow, you guys are so lucky. You won new kick-ass shoes. And to those who didn't win, don't worry. We still have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away Project Rock Under Armour sneakers. Really nice shoes. Really kick-ass vibe. You guys have to check those sneakers out. They will be coming. The draw will be coming this Sunday. So that's just a few days away from now. So make sure that you guys are subscribed and that you follow the mechanics. Okay, that's it for me. Pasensya nyo na, medyo pinapawisan ako. Nakapatay yung aircon. I've been going all around the room preparing the boxes. But yeah, that's it for now. This is Carlo signing out as usual. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom. Now, these sneakers will be part of the next mystery box, not the upcoming mystery box, but I want to give you guys a quick teaser. So we have Kyries, we have Vapor Maxes, we have Kobe's, we have React Kicks, all of which can be part of the next Project 721 mystery boxes.